Good morning, dear student. Class 9. Today I will start next topic of chapter 2. Topic is that introducing central processing unit. First of all, we know about what is the CPU or central processing unit. Central processing unit are used to process your all the data that are given by as input, and after the processing it will be returned their output and on the output devices. Just we are discussing about some processing device, input device, output devices are used by the computer. First of all, whenever we are used to give input devices through the input component like this, input device, keyboard and mouse are used to give the input to the computer. There are two main devices. Many other devices are also input devices, but main two device, input device, keyboard and mouse are used to give the instruction to the computer. This is the common input device and it is always used to give the instruction to the computer. After giving the instruction to the computer, it will be control unit, go in CPU. Inside the CPU, there are many components inside the CPU, and in the motherboard, CPU is present and are used to central processing unit, and it is called the process of your data. Control unit is a unit inside the CPU and it is used to control all over the operation of computer, and it is used to control all the activities of the computer. This is also called ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. Arithmetic and logic unit are used to process according to arithmetic and logic unit. Arithmetic means all the calculation and all the calculation are performed by the computer with help of the arithmetic unit. Arithmetic plus, minus, multiply, divide. These operation come in the arithmetic operation, and arithmetic operation always used to perform some calculation on the data given by the user. Suppose we have to calculate some number, we have to sum by the plus, we have to subtract the value through the minus, and we have to multiply and count the product of the numbers used to multiply, and divide some number, operator used by the divide operator, and this is called a arithmetic unit. Arithmetic unit is used to perform some calculation on the number, and logical unit is used to perform some logical value on logical function on the given value. Suppose there are number and we have to compare the number through the logically by the number is greater, less, equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. This type of situation and condition performed by the logical operation, and this is called the ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, performed by the CPU. And after performing the calculation, it is the come in the main memory. Main memory is a storage device inside the computer and used to store many more data, large amount of data that are process data. Main memory are used to store data and process the data, and after that it will be displayed on the output device. Students, we all of know that there are two main output devices are used by the computer to give the result of your processing data, and after processing what will be result, what would be output, output kya hoga, it will be displayed on the output device. Output device, two output devices are given here, monitor and printer. Monitor is a device used to display all things that are happen in the computer, inside the computer. After processing, the result will be shown on the monitor. Printer is also a output device, one of the output device, and it is used to take print out as your process. After the complete your processing, it will be display on the monitor, and whenever it will be need, we can take print out from the printer machine, and printer is a machine used to print out your hard copy of your computer. Let's see the some process of the monitor output devices. Students, output devices generally used to show the result on the computer and used to display, and sometime it will be take by the printer with help of the printer. Monitors के parts देखेंगे हम लोग. There are three type of monitor: CRT, LCD, and LED. Basically, three type of monitor are used nowadays, and mostly it is used in earlier time. CRT monitor. CRT monitor is also called cathode ray tube monitor, and generally it is used to display high quality of data on your computer. And CRT is this monitor thick and has picture tube. इसमें पिक्चर ट्यूब होता है टेलीविजन की तरह. इट्स वेट इज वेरी हैवी, इसका वेट भी हैवी होता है. एंड CRT मॉनिटर आर वेटेड एंड इकोनॉमिकल मॉनिटर यूज इन लास्ट एंड प्रीवियस टाइम. उसी तरह LCD लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले. लिक्विड क्रिस्टल डिस्प्ले इज ए टेक्नोलॉजी यूज बाय flat surface of the monitor, and this monitor is a very light monitor. इसका weight भी बहुत कम होता है, and quality picture is very good quality is given by the LCD. After some time it will be converted in LED, light emitting diode. Light emitting diode is a technology used in LED, and it is used a quality of monitor. And nowadays we are seeing lot of example of LED used as a television, as a monitor, and the technology are used to display your data, and your output result given by the computer is so clear and very good quality of this monitor. Let's now we will learn about some printer. Printer is also an output device, as like we have seen printer. There are two type of main printer. Two type of printer: DMP printer, impact and non-impact. सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे impact printer and non-impact printer. There are two type of printer available in the market, and we are used that printer according to our requirement. And these two type of printer further divided in many categories. Impact printer में हम लोग DMP dot matrix printer यूज करते हैं. That are used in earlier time. पहले के टाइम में यूज होता था. It is a quieter. It is a noisy printer and not a give very good quality of printing. And non-impact में हम लोग देखेंगे inkjet, laser printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer that are used for commercial use and use a quality of printing. Printer डिवाइडेड इम्पैक्ट एंड नॉन इम्पैक्ट. नॉन इम्पैक्ट में हम लोग इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर का एग्जांपल वी आर शोइंग दैट DMP डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर, एंड नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर इज इंकजेट प्रिंटर एंड लेजर प्रिंटर. These are used to print a quality of printer through the laser printer, and just we are discussing about some unit of your computer, processing unit, input devices and output devices. And after that, in the next topic we will learn about the memory of computer. And thanks a lot of you, and it will be our session end. Okay, bye.